Hey foodies, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you this delicious steak and shrimp dinner recipe. Let's get started. Alright guys, let's start by making some mashed potatoes. I added some salt, give them a stir, allow to boil until tender. Once they were tender, I drained and began to mash until they were smooth. Then I added some half and half milk and cream along with some butter. And I come in with some seasoning for flavor and taste. Give that a stir and that's basically it. I was keeping it super simple because I plan to make some gravy to go with it. Now let's make the gravy. To a skillet, I added oil and then I came in with some onions and garlic. Give that a stir and allow to go for about 2 minutes. Then I added a little flour. Allow that to go for about a minute or so. And then we will add some beef broth. Once the beef broth is added, we will add some seasoning for flavor and taste. Taste and adjust to suit your own preference. And we will allow this to go until it thickens. Once it thickens, I added a small pinch of sugar, like a 1/4 teaspoon, not a lot. You must not be able to taste it in here. It's just for balance. And yeah, that's it. Now let's move on to the next step. So the honey butter vegetables I made the other day, everyone loved it, so we decided to run it back today. I will be seasoning some asparagus and Brussels sprouts, and then I will add some honey and butter over the top. We will place this in a 425-degree oven for about 20-25 minutes or so. Super simple, but these are so delicious. Now let's prepare our entree. Here I have 2 ribeye steaks, washed and pat dry, and I'll be using some seasonings here. By the way, all the seasonings and all the ingredients with measurements that I use will be listed in the description box. I added some oil on both sides and then I went in with the seasoning. Just coat them very well, and once we're done, we will proceed to the next step. Here I have some shrimp. I will add a bit of oil and then in with some seasoning, mix well and set that to the side. Next we will go ahead and cook the steak. I will cook it for about 2 minutes per side because as you can see, it is thin and I like my steaks medium. But if you like yours well done, you can cook it for a longer period of time. Once that is done, we will remove it, set it to the side and carry on with the other steak until we're done, and then we will proceed to cooking the shrimp. Like I said, you will add your shrimp to the skillet and allow it to cook for about a minute per side. Shrimp do not take a long time to cook, so a minute per side should be perfect. Once it is done, remove it from the skillet and I'll show you guys the finished product. And here you have it, a delicious steak and shrimp dinner. It was so mouth-watering delicious, and I can't wait for you guys to give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients and measurements down in the description, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching, and enjoy.